Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a crawfish cornbread. So before we dive into our recipe, I wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one that helped support That Boy Cooking. Your support means the world to me, whether you are trying out the new recipes, leaving a comment, or just watching along. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming dishes. So with that being said, let's grab our ingredients and let's make some crawfish cornbread. For our crawfish cornbread, you're going to need the following: a box of your favorite cornbread mix. I'm using Jiffy. Eggs, bunch of green onions chopped, small yellow onion chopped, bell pepper chopped, rotel, crawfish, pepper jack cheese, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and butter. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So before we get to mixing our ingredients together, what we need to do is we will be using a cast iron skillet today, and we are going to add to that skillet a stick of butter. Now this is going to go into our preheated 350 degree oven, so that way our skillet can heat up and our butter can melt. Alright, so we have our cornbread in a nice deep dish, and we're going to just make sure we break up our cornbread because we don't want any large clumps. So to this, we are going to be adding in our eggs, our can of Rotel or whatever brand of tomatoes and diced chilies you use. We're going to add in our chopped up pepper jack cheese, our onion, bell pepper, and green onions. That'll mix. And then we're going to add in our garlic powder, our onion powder, and this is roughly a teaspoon of each, and our Cajun seasoning. Give this just a quick little stir to start getting this all mixed together. There we go. And to this we are going to add in our pound of crawfish. Now when you get your crawfish, you need to make sure that when you buy them that they are U.S. grown, because there's a lot of crawfish out there that comes from out of the U.S., like China and other countries like that. So once we get this all mixed up, now we're going to pull out our skillet from the oven, which has been having the butter melt and the skillet heat, and we're going to put these two together. Alright, as you can see, our butter is melted, and yes, our skillet is hot. So we are going to dump this in here. Make sure we don't make too big of a mess this go round. There we go. Just kind of level it out. Now this is going to go back into our 350 degree oven, and we're going to cook this for 40 to 50 minutes till it is golden brown and delicious. Alright, so this has been in the oven for right about an hour. So now we're going to let this cool down so it can firm up before we slice it. Okay, so this has had some time. to cool down so that we can cut it. Now, the one thing I do recommend, my cast iron skillet was a little too small for this dish. And so therefore, when it was cooking, the butter flowed over the edge. So now I'm going to be cleaning my oven whenever time permits. So, but let's give this a try. Well, this is really good. We'll definitely be making this again. So I really do hope you give this recipe a try, because it is really, really good. So as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more cooking inspirations and videos. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And I'm going to finish this crawfish cornbread. So, till next time.